Namaste. Pranam. Good morning, all brothers and sisters of India. I am Dr. Divagaran Cochin. Today I am going to speak about the medical science and astrology, and where that Vasundhara Yoga. What is Vasundhara Yoga and what is the result of it? Astrology is as old as Vedas themselves. The Vedas, which are the sacred Hindu scriptures, embody internal knowledge, strict moral and spiritual practices, along with the deep study are the prerequisites to understand the essence of the Vedas. To the uninitiated, the Vedas might appear as nothing more than ritualistic oblations to air, water, and thunder, etc. Deep truth, however, begin to unfold to the true seeker as his search goes on. The Jupiter is very important in the human life. Jupiter, in Kollavarsha 1195, that is 2019 August 17th to 2020 August 16th. This period is known as the Kollavarsha 1195. The transit of Jupiter produces the Vasundhara Yoga. This year, Jupiter, who travels 3 rashis, starting from Scorpio, Sagittarius, and Magar. Now, Jupiter returns from Magar Rashi to Dhanus. Now it is in the Dhanus Rashi. Then, after 3 months, it goes again to Magar Rashi. The displacement of expenditure, gain of wealth, ill health, discord at home, increase of opponents, happiness, birth of child, troubles from enemies, comforts from wife and children, auspicious journey, unwanted travel, loss of wealth, virtues, pursuits, many gains, appreciations about career, acquisition of wealth and status, loss of wealth. Now, this yoga, what is Vasundhara Yoga? Ekasmin valsare jive rashitraya mubagade bhavel Vasundhara girna kunapai saptagodibi Vasundhara Yoga. It tells us this year is very bad, and loss of wealth, loss of health, fear of diseases, and especially virus diseases, fungus diseases, bacteria diseases, and fear of death. And what is the result of Vasundhara Yoga? Pidasu mlechajananam shudraye Pashanda Pidate cha tadhabhakta Vyagracha Bhavandi Bhuvala. It is very bad to the rulers of the world, not only India. They have to face high tension. The Prime Minister of India, the Chief Ministers of all the states have tension and fear about the people. They are the responsibilities to protect the people. And this year, these 7 crore people will die to that yoga tells us. So how to prevent it? By practicing Yoga Shastra with Agash Mudra and also Pranayama, then chant mantras, the Vaitishwara mantra or Mrida Sanjeevani mantra or Mrityunjaya mantra or at least Om Namah Shivaya. Every day the people must practice the Yoga Shastra and Pranayama with the Agash Mudra. It can be prevented. And our center point of our hand is the solar flex. If we raise our hands and produce the solar energy to the public, ourselves as well as to the public, that will give positive energy to the public. Thank you very much. If you like my subject, please subscribe and the bell button switch on. I'll come tomorrow with the other subject.